What if the reason intermittent fasting isn't working for you isn't because fasting doesn't work, but because you're using the wrong fasting window for your body? The popular 16-8 method is everywhere, but science now shows your results depend less on how long you fast and more on when you fast based on your hormones. And once you understand this, fasting becomes dramatically more effective. Most people treat intermittent fasting like a fixed formula. Eat for 8 hours, fast for 16, repeat. But your body isn't a clock, it's a hormonal system. Two key hormones control how your body responds to fasting. Insulin, which regulates fat storage, cortisol, which controls energy and stress. These hormones don't stay constant. They rise and fall throughout the day based on your circadian rhythm. So when you fast at the wrong time, you may actually increase stress, slow metabolism, and make fat loss harder. That's why some people thrive on fasting, while others feel exhausted, hungry, and stuck. Let's break this down simply. In the morning, your body naturally has higher cortisol levels. This is not a bad thing. Cortisol helps you wake up and mobilize energy. At the same time, many people have lower insulin sensitivity early in the day, especially if they're metabolically unhealthy. As the day progresses, insulin sensitivity can improve but then drops again at night. So your body has windows of opportunity where eating is more efficient, fasting is more effective, fat burning is easier. This is called circadian-aligned metabolism. And when your fasting window matches this rhythm, you unlock better energy, better fat loss, and better recovery. Here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone has the same metabolic pattern. Most people fall into one of three metabolic archetypes. 1. The insulin-resistant type. This includes people who struggle with belly fat, feel sleepy after meals, crave sugar or carbs. For this group, insulin stays elevated longer. Best strategy: longer fasting window, 14-18 hours. Delay first meal until late morning or early afternoon. This helps lower insulin and improve fat burning. 2. The high cortisol type. These are people who feel wired but tired, experience stress or poor sleep, get energy crashes. For them, fasting too long can increase stress hormones even more. Best strategy: shorter fasting window, 12-14 hours. Eat earlier in the day to stabilize cortisol. Skipping breakfast here can actually backfire. 3. The metabolically flexible type. These individuals have stable energy, maintain weight easily, adapt well to fasting. They can benefit from varied fasting windows, including 16-8, occasional longer fasts, or even cycling fasting schedules. Their bodies adapt easily, so flexibility is key. Here's the key insight. Fasting isn't just about eating less, it's about timing stress and recovery correctly. When you fast in alignment with your hormones, insulin drops more efficiently, fat burning increases, cellular repair improves, gut health becomes more stable. But when you force a fasting schedule that doesn't match your biology, you create internal stress instead of healing. That's why personalized fasting is more sustainable and more effective. Start with simple signals from your body. Ask yourself, when do I feel most energetic? Do I crash after meals? Do I feel stressed when fasting longer? Then experiment. Try earlier eating if you feel stressed. Try longer fasting if fat loss is stalled. Keep your eating window consistent for a few weeks. The goal is not perfection, it's alignment. Intermittent fasting isn't one size fits all. The real power comes from matching your fasting window to your hormones and metabolism. Because when your biology and your behavior align, your body stops fighting you and starts working with you. If you want more science-backed strategies like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And comment below. What fasting window are you currently using?